Hi there, George here. Today I'm gonna show you an update about my lemon cheese, which I propagated by cuttings, and I made a video, link above if you didn't see that video. So now I will show you just update, was grow so beautiful, and I am very happy that my method works, and look at it, very beautiful, growing amazing. And I repotted it in this beautiful pot. It has very amazing good root system, and the plant is very healthy. And as you can see, I don't know if at the camera it's seen, but I can see already one root on this hole. Look at it. And growing so fast, this variety very well, and I will give it someone this lemon tree, someone who loves lemon cheese, and well, he will take good care on this beauty, well, doing good. And I have many which I propagated by cuttings, so happy my method works. Well, in this video I will repot these beauties, and they, look at them, roots are seen, yes, and at this look, well, and that's it. In this video I will repot them. And another one, this you can see one leaf it have, but will grow more leaves, and this I will not repot. I will leave it to grow, and after that I will repot it later. So, and also I propagated my mandarin tree by cuttings, and let's show you. After that, let's repot these beauties. I put this to have greenhouse effect. Now let's see what's inside. Let's remove it, and here we go. As you can see, so beautiful, my method works well, so happy. This is my lemon cheese, look at it. This from seed I grow, and growing very beautiful, roots you can see there. Look what great root system. This is another variety which I showed you in the intro. So this from seed, but that variety is not from seed. Well, and here we have another one doing very well. And another one still need to stay in this greenhouse effect, and will grow new branches soon. This I put it in this container later, that's it. And here I have mandarin tree, look at it, very nice. I am very happy that with the lemons, with mandarins, this method works, and hope to another plants will work, and I will try. Well, this is my mandarin tree, so beautiful. From the mother plant I take cuttings, and already we can see I saw one root there. Beautiful, so happy roots. That is awesome when I saw some roots, new roots, something like that. Well, this I already didn't put back in the greenhouse effect. I will put somewhere on the window or outside to the light. But this I put back, and the mandarin cheese. Now it's time to repot this lemon cheese, and I've chose these pots. Perfect. So now let's just take away these plants from these small pots. Well, and that's it, let's do that. Look at the root system. Great. Now let's do the same to this one. And here we have roots. So now let's add potting soil in these pots. I chose universal potting soil, which is mixed with sand, and let's do that. Now let's try to put lemon tree there. Perfect. So now I will add soil there, and that's it, and I water it later. So well done, my work was finished. So this is the final result. They are beautiful. So thanks so much for watching this video to the end. They will grow beautiful in my care. That's it. Greetings from Moldova. Put like, subscribe to my channel if you want, and see you next time. Bye bye.